Hello everyone and welcome to the Lancaster Volkswagen YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you around this stunning Volkswagen Polo GTI demo. Finished in smoky grey. It is a stunning car. As you can see, this one's got the pan roof on it. It was originally a new car, now it's my manager's demo. See, it's for 72 reg. So currently it's got 159 miles on the clock. This will go up over time, so the quicker you put your deposit on it, the lower the mileage will be, the nearer to new it will be. It's a lovely car. You've got the rear camera on this one as well, and approved use warranty, which is just as good as a new warranty. As you can see, it's done 159 miles. I'll just show you the reverse camera now. There you go. Heated seats as well, and then you've got your sunroof that opens, which is such a nice feature to have any time of year. You can also use your manual blind and have that across when it's open or closed. Bit more shade if it's coming in or flies or whatever. Really lovely car. It's such a nice vehicle. Digital dash as well, obviously all your buttons digital. Such a nice vehicle. Similar size to a Golf now as well with these Polos. So as it's a demonstrator vehicle, it won't always be on site. So I know on Tuesdays this car won't be here currently. Well, it will be here Monday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. And then the weekends the availability changes. So if you are interested in seeing this car on a weekend, please do just get in contact with us just to double check that it will be on site, so you don't come and it's not here, if you do want to get a test drive of this exact vehicle. If you've got any questions, like I say, don't hesitate to contact us. We do offer flexible financial options and part exchange welcome as well. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you very soon.